We're back on the halftime report, answering your questions now. First up, Pete, I got one for you. Okay,
Yeah.
It's from Raquel in Phoenix.
Yeah.
What's your thought on Tesla right now?
It's been amazing. In this month of December, I don't think anybody's really paid attention to the fact that this stock's up 10% in the last month. I mean, it's had an incredible run in a market that's been very difficult. Everything else has had pressure on it. And I think the fact that we're hearing less and less, at least on Twitter, from Elon and all the rest of that might be helping out as well. I love this name. I was in the options. I would only be in the options. I think the stock is so volatile that people have no idea what they're getting themselves into. But the options are a great way to play this.
Okay, Ed from New Jersey, thank you very much for the question. And it is for you, Steve Weiss. Have the semiconductor stocks put in a bottom?
Well, we've actually had not such a bad time recently. But look, again, I think these are also trading stocks. They have been. If you take a look at Micron, and I believe Ed's also interested in Micron, the Chinese and the Chinese courts have an injunction against them where they're prohibiting it from selling essentially 10% of their products. So look, they're trading Micron down around 35, probably trades up a few, can trade down a few. The bottom line is I think the risk reward is pretty much in balance at this point.
Yeah, and taking it just a step back, we've actually spent a lot of time thinking about technology, and it's not surprising that we spend a lot of time looking at the incremental data flow, incremental news flow, but every once in a while we have to take a step back. And when we look at the amount of technology that's going to be put into all of the business models to connect everything that we're doing, it's part of what we see as the early stages of this fourth industrial revolution. We think that if you have a long enough time horizon, semiconductors and technology more broadly is a good place to be.
Okay, Jimmy, got one for you from Clinton in Oceanside, California. Will Roku ever stop going down?
Wow. This is a beatdown. I mean, this is incredible.
You're out of it or in it?
Yeah, I'm out of it. Remember, I sold in August
at 58. You made a great call on that.
At 58. It went up to 70. I felt like a schmuck, and now it's down at 35, 34, whatever it is.
I want him bilingual.
Look, okay, let me be helpful here. I want to buy it again. You cannot buy it right now, okay? The company is executing fabulously. The stock keeps going down. Here's what you wait for. First off, it's not going up in December because there's all sorts of tax loss selling here. Just stay out of it until January rolls around. Hopefully the market turns. I think you want to get in this before the earnings come out, which is February.
What's the number you want to get in at?
It's not a number. It's a time thing. It really is. I mean, this stock could go down into the 20s the way it's looking right now. I mean, right now is fair price. I would love to buy it here, but I think it still goes down through December. I think you look in January. You look to see the market gain some footing. When it does go up, Scott, here's the important part. This thing has a beta that will tear your face off, okay? When the markets go up, this thing's going up big. I will be back in it. I will tell you when I'm in it. Not now.
Yeah, you raise your hand when that happens, okay?
He's awfully excited for stock he doesn't know, isn't he?
Yeah, but he had a great call on that, Jimmy. And
He's so happy he got out when he did. His stock's down 50%.
It was a good call.
He exited on TV. I remember the call. It was great.
I'll be back in it. Yeah. We'll have fun. We'll have fun with this one, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Boys, I'll
trust you.
I'll give you
a heads up.
I'll give you plenty of time to tell me I'm wrong and then get in it 20% up.
All right.